My name is Bob McAdams, and I live in the Berkeley neighborhood that's inside the urban ring around Charlottesville. And back in 2013, I had this problem. I knew about global warming, I knew about the climate crisis and what we had to do in order to mitigate it, but I couldn't figure out how I could shrink my carbon footprint, reduce my greenhouse gas emissions myself. And I pondered the question for a long time, and then I came up with an idea. I figured out that I could build a solar clothes dryer on my back deck. And I did it. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, it's a simple apparatus. There's some posts, some hooks, clothesline, clothespins. But this simple apparatus has kept me from using my electric dryer since 2013. So over almost 8 years, I can think of that I've saved a lot of greenhouse gas emissions and a lot of energy. I've also saved some money. Now, if it's a series of rainy days, cloudy days, particularly in winter, I've got an inexpensive drying rack that I can use inside. Now, this solar clothes dryer is just a small step for me to take. But if we all take small steps, we can have a big effect. So here is my solar clothes dryer.